Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking the long-range beast from Fenix, the HT18R version 2. This thing isn't just bright, it throws light over 1200 yards. That's right, at 3700 lumens shooting a beam over 10 football fields. You need a flashlight that can reach the next country? This is it. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload them. Let's start by checking what comes in the box. You get the HT18R version 2 flashlight, a holster, USB-C charging cable, a lanyard, spare O-ring, and the manual. Basically everything you need to get you up and running right out of the box. The HT18R version 2 is the evolution of the original HT18R, but now pumping 3700 lumen and a beam distance that can reach 1202 yards of pure power. Perfect for hunters, search and rescue, and outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who wants to light up a mountain, literally. It got 7 lighting modes including 4 brightness levels, plus strobe, SOS, and beacon. Tough with IP68 rated and impact resisting up to 1 meter. It's built for surviving, especially with 87 hours of runtime. That's almost 4 days of consistent lighting. This is where it gets fun, because it's great for hunting and search and rescue with the max power output, but it's also great for dog walking on the lowest output. Turbo mode is 3700 lumen with 1202 yard throw and 2 hours of runtime. High mode is 1000 lumen with 732 yard throw and 3 hours of runtime. Mid mode is 350 lumen with 437 yard throw and 6 hours and 50 minutes of runtime. Low mode is 30 lumen with 109 yard throw and can run for 87 hours. Strobe is 3000 lumen, great for self-defense, and with SOS at 150 lumen and beacon at 3700 lumen, it's great for signaling in case of an emergency or to get attention, like if you're trying to find something or someone. Although it's powerful, it's only 7.86 inches long and weighs 12.64 ounces. That's barely more than a can of soda. It feels balanced, solid, and tactical in hand, with that signature large reflector head that built purely for distance. And the build quality? Classic Fenix. It's made with the A6061-T aluminum, so it's tough as a nail and ready for field abuse. It got an IP68 water and dust proof rating, and it's 1 meter impact resisting, so no matter how clumsy you are, this flashlight can take a beating. Operation is handled through dual side switches, one for on and off, momentarily on, and instant turbo mode, and one for output selection, mode switch, and long press for instant strobe. Everything is easily accessible with one hand. Fast, intuitive, it sits comfortably under your thumb. Press for on and off, or press and hold for turbo, or press on and move your thumb upward to cycle between various outputs. And what powers this beast is a 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery, replaceable, rechargeable, and it gives you 87 hours of runtime. And when it's time to recharge, slide the protected door to reveal the fast USB-C charging port. Plug it in and you're good to go. It can be fully recharged in 1.5 hours. And of course there is a battery indicator located above the side switches, so you always know when it's time to recharge it. So, what got upgraded on the HT18R version 2 over the original HT18R? Now we're getting 3700 lumen instead of the 2800 lumens, and double the runtime with 87 hours instead of 42 hours. Replacing the charge port rubber door with a metal door to increase its waterproof resisting. Replacing the tail switch with the side switch. Since the light has a large head, it's easier to handle. And now we have beacon. Let me tell you what I think about the HT18R version 2. It's built for distance, durability, and dominance. With a 3700 lumens and a beam that can reach over 1200 yards, that's mind-blowing. If you use it for hunting, no prey will escape you. And if you use it for search and rescue, you'll be able to scan distance more than 10 football fields away. It's tough with IP68 rating and 1 meter impact resisting and can run for 87 hours thanks to a 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery. That's replaceable and rechargeable by USB-C charge port. If you love the original HT18R, this one is brighter, smarter, and tougher. You're gonna love it. Let me know in the comments below what do you think. And until next time, keep exploring and stay lit.